I am coming to your place. Ha 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 ha. Today I will tell you the biggest fear of my life. 2 years back when I was coming to school, senior classes of students dressed up as Halloweens. They were doing like this. I was scared. I was crying a lot. Today, I am only the Halloween. I'm not afraid anymore. Thank you.
Teachers used to give very hard punishments like hitting with a stick and tight slaps whenever homework was not done or after any mischievous act. I got frightened whenever I think about such punishments. I am thankful to God that we are blessed to have kind-hearted teachers also in school. Thank you.
I am ghost. I'm a vampire. I'm sucking blood of everybody. Ha 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 ha.
जादूगर 1 2 3 आज है हैलोवीन आज हमें 2 चॉकलेट और कैंडी नहीं तो हम करेंगे शैतानी 1 2 3 आज है हैलोवीन थैंक यू
I am Mr. Gonsalves Urf Dracula. I like to drink human blood.
Today I'm going to tell you spooky story. My story name is Creepy Old House. Last year was Halloween night. We went to get some trick or treat. We saw a creepy old house. We knocked on the door. Somebody opens the door, but nobody was there. Can you guess what is in the creepy old house? I tell you. We saw a ghost in the hallway. We saw a skeleton in the washroom. We saw a witch in the kitchen. We saw a zombie in the dining room. We saw many mummies in the bedroom. We saw a vampire in the living room. We saw many spooky creatures in the creepy old house. What did you see on Halloween night? I am also a vampire. Give me some blood. I want to eat. Thank you.
I am a vampire. I killed you. I am a king of the dark. Happy Halloween.
I am a vampire. I will kill you. Happy Halloween. Ha ha ha.
Arrow is eating my bones again. The fog of creeping again creep and seeping through the crackers again fear in fretting my bones again. Thank you.
Here I come, a bag of gold, a bag of gum. You can choose the trick or treat. Please give me something sweet to eat. Ha ha ha. I am afraid of blood because vampires suck blood. Thank you. Halloween ghost! I am 6 million years old! I tell you! I bite you! Ha ha ha!
I am ghost. Get down. I am eat you. Ha ha ha.
Yeah! I am Dracula! Your blood is very sweet. I want to drink your blood. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all of you. Today I am playing a role of bat and I am sharing a poem. Flutter, flutter, little bat. Flutter, flutter, little bat. How I wondered where you at. Sopping through the dark at night, you find your way without a light. Flutter, flutter, little bat. How I wonder where you at. Flutter, flutter, little bat. How I wonder where you at. Thank you. I am the witch. I don't like that. Hey you, if you don't listen me, if it is your food, I'll everything. Oh, ha 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 ha. Happy Halloween. Good morning, everyone. I am a black cat. The biggest fear of my life is living. The second fear of my life is dying. Happy Halloween. Good morning, everyone. My name is Naisha, but today we are celebrate Halloween. I am presenting role of vampires. My greatest fear of my life is darkness and meet with strangers. I scared tell lie to someone. I scared sometime speak in public place explaining something. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anand and I study in class 15. Today I will tell you the greatest fear of my life. The greatest fear of my life was about the mouse, because everyone says that a mouse will eat you, it will hurt you. But when after 2 years I went to my grandparents' house, I saw there were many mouse and then I was alone in the house and I was sitting in one room, there were two mouse. So what I did, I caught that mouse in my hand and threw it in the well. And now I have no more fear of the mouse. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I would like to sing a Halloween song. What you gonna be on Halloween? To go trick or treat on Halloween. You could be a fireman, a doctor, or a ballerina, a robot or a bumblebee, a ghost named Dovina. There is nothing will be scary, it all just make believe. The ghost just said boo, it's still your friend underneath. What you gonna be on Halloween? To go trick or treat on Halloween. I dress like a witch in this Halloween. Have a great Halloween. Happy haunting.
I am a skeleton ghost.
Oops, I am Shiveen. Now I will tell you about a horrible incident that happened in my life. It was the most scariest incident that happened in my life till now. That was on 2 days before Holi. My friend, my cousins and me came to my house and we all were sitting together. Then we decided to make a plan. We off the lights and I was the most scaring person in my all the cousins. I scared a lot, and that's why I make them switch on only one bulb, and then we put a blanket on us, and all our cousins were in the blanket. The blanket was on us, and we switch on a torch, and we started speaking many horrible
scary stories of Halloween. And then suddenly the bulb was off and the torch battery was also off. And then suddenly the footstep sound came near us, and then the blanket jumped. My cousins get scared and moved behind, but I jumped and I bumped my head on the back side of the bed. And then that ghost has a candle on with him also. And then I understand at last that it was my one of the cousins. Thank you.